Hi, I'm Tim, and this is Timberway Designs. I've been cutting some Malawi agates in half, and I got another six I want to cut in half and share with you what it looks like on the inside. I have absolutely no idea what these things look like other than what I can see on the outside. And I got some, and we're going to take a look at them before I cut them. So let's take a look, see what we got. So this is the next batch of agates we're going to cut up here. Let's take a look at this guy here. I don't see any. There's a little tiny window right here. I'd probably cut this guy in half just like this right here. That's what I would think. See this one here. I'm not really seeing anything, and to be honest with you, it looks kind of rocky to me. I'm just thinking it's just going to be clear like that, but I've been surprised before by these things. This guy here, it's there's a little window there, but I'm not seeing any color in it, so we'll probably just do a cut it in half there. This one's got a nice chunk of fortification right there, so I'm probably thinking like that. This one, I see some orange right here, maybe a little bit right there, but I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Probably end up cutting it like this, I think. This one's got a chunk of fortification on this side here, so I'll most likely cut it just like that right there, down the middle. So let's gather them up, head down to the saw, and cut them in half so we can see what's inside of them. Okay, we got some agates lined up here. We're going to cut that we had looked up upstairs previously. This one, I'm not too sure about, and I don't have high hopes for it. I'm going to go ahead and cut it just like that. Okay, let's take a look and see what this guy looks like on the inside. Okay, got some fortifications in there, kind of whitish, no color. I'd say it's kind of blah, but I think that would shine up and be a little interesting. Okay, this guy right here got a window right here, so I think I'm going to cut her. We're going to do a dorsal cut just like that. That one was hard. That one's real hard. So let's see what we got. Oh, that was worth it. That's pretty. I said we'll go upstairs and look at these guys a little closer. Next up is this guy right here. And I think I'm just going to cut him in half. Cut him in half just like that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, this one didn't excite me too much. No fortifications. Yeah, I guess I'm going to call this one a dud. Okay, this one here, not really seeing anything. I'm just going to do a little cut right through here just like that. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully it's going to surprise me just as much as it surprises you. Ready? Nope. I'm going to call that one a dud too. Okay, this guy, definitely going to cut him like that. Because you got a nice pocket right here. And if I can keep from bumping my camera here, I think things will be a little better. Wait till this settle down a little bit. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, that is really pretty. Got a little, I don't know if, no, it's not a druzy pocket. That's kind of cool. And finally we got this guy here. I don't know. I'm thinking there's a little pocket right here. I think I'm just going to go right down the middle right there. Okay, let's see if the last one on this series is going to be awesome. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I wish I would have went to the right just about a 1/4 inch, but still, I'm liking that. All right, we'll do a little show and tell. Get out of here and go upstairs. So we got those Malawi agates cut in half. Some of them look pretty good, and some were kind of duddish. So let's take a good closer look at them. Okay, let's take a look at some of the agates we cut up down there. First up is this guy right here. Gonna get it wet a little bit. And this is what I call a true dud. There's absolutely no color. It's kind of porous. You can see right there. Maybe a little tiny bit right there, but nothing that I can see that's going to be worthwhile. So I got a feeling this guy's going to end up in my landscaping outside. I had high hopes for this one too, but it kind of, to me, it seems kind of duddish also. It was trying, it's got a little color in there, a little fortification or whatever it's trying to create on the end here, but it too is kind of porous. I don't know, just don't trip my trigger, I guess. I mean, the outside, I had a lot of hope for it, but nothing on the inside. So I think this one will end up in my landscaping outside also. Now this one here, I thought came out really nice. The only thing I probably would have done different is I'd probably cut it a little farther in to make this one bigger. But I still think it looks nice. I like the color. I like the fortifications. And I think it'll clean up really good for to put on Etsy. This one here probably is my favorite out of this bunch. It's got nice colors in it, good fortifications, pretty solid all the way through, and I think it'll make a really pretty addition in somebody's collection out there. This one here, it was really solid when I was cutting it, but it ended up being pretty plain Jane. It's just kind of a plain old agate. There's no pretty colors or heavy lines in it or anything. I mean, it's still an agate. You can see the fortifications in there, but it's just not a beautiful agate. But it will clean up nice. It'll shine up really cool. So maybe we'll do that and take another reevaluate it. And finally, we got this guy right here. Really pretty, deep orange. I like it. Nice white band on the outside. Kind of see into it a little bit. Yeah, this one's nice. I like it. And that's it for this batch. So we got them agates cut in half. We had a few good ones and a few duds. The good ones, I'll probably shine them up and put them on my Etsy store. You can see that in the link down below. And while you're down there, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would. It helps the analogs get out there so other people can see this channel. So that's all I got in this one. We'll catch you later.